Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. This is the very interesting chapter which is differential equation is about. Now first of all I have to discuss about the degree and order of a differential equation in calculus. What is called degree and order of a differential equation? See here, this is the differential equation, but what is the degree and order of that? See, there are represent dy by dx in this equation, second order, also third order in this equation. So, order and degree. First of all, question number 1. Again, write here x into dy by dx plus c. See here, this is dx dy, but again, this part is dy dx. So you change like that, dy dx, and take an LCM, y into dy dx and x into dy dx whole square plus c. So again we write x into dy dx whole square minus y and dx dy plus c equal to 0. This is the differential equation. Just we express as a normal form. See, the highest order. In the differential equation, highest order is here 1. As we see, this is the first order differential equation, first order. Okay? This is called first order, this is called second order, this is called third order. But in this differential equation, highest order is here first order. And highest order to the power degree is called the degree of that differential equation. So, order is 1 and degree of this equation is equal to 2. So, highest order is dy by dx and the to the power is 2 here, always degree being positive integer, okay, and order also, okay, and this is the order and degree of the first differential equation. Again, for question number 2, highest order of this differential equation is 3, so order is 3 and degree equal to order is 3 and degree equal to 2, not 10. Highest order, follow the highest order of a differential equation and to the power that order is called the degree. Okay. And now the question number 3 here. 3. See, 1 plus d2i by dx2 whole to the power 3 by 2 and k into d2i dx2. Again, repeat the order and degree about which are always positive integer, not a fraction. So see, the degree is a fraction. So that's why it is squaring both sides. Okay, 1 plus d2y dx2 whole square, then we get 3 here, okay, and k square and d2y dx2 whole to the power 2. So clearly see that the order is 2 here, order is 2, order equal to 2 and degree here is 3. So highest order is 2 to the power that is 3, so degree is 3 here. I think this point is very interesting and I think understood, better understood. Okay. Now, next question from the differential equation where ABC are the arbitrary constant of this problem. Now let's see here discussion about. This is the most important part of a differential equation, forming a differential equation, not solving a differential equation. This is only class for the forming a differential equation. Okay. So for question number 1, always which are given the arbitrary constant, we eliminate that type of constant. First, I will say here y equal to a x square bx. Okay. I always a constant which is arbitrary. We want to free from the variable. Okay. Let's write. Just right here. Capital A, capital B, okay, are also arbitrary constant. Okay, this is a fixed constant. You see here, this is a fixed constant. Okay, ठीक है. So now it is very easy to simplify. If this is the least degree here is x, and we divide by x, then y by x is equal to ax plus b, and then differentiate. So that if we differentiate this equation, so b is eliminated here. So that is x square x into y1 minus y into derivative of x is 1. Okay, that is u by v. Okay, and that is a into 1 plus 0. That's why you always follow this method, easily simplified. Now see again, here a is free from x, so that's why, okay, divide by x, y by x square equal to a, then again differentiate, that is x square x into y1 minus y minus x to the power 4, so x square y1 minus y and twice x equal to derivative of a is constant. So see here, nothing, the constant here which are here arbitrary. So if we simplify this differential this equation, that is the required differential equation. LCM taken LCM x to the power 4 and multiply by x to the power 4, that is x cube y1 minus x square y, again x square y1 plus 2x y equal to 0. Okay, we have taken y1, okay, y1, then x cube minus x square here, I have taken the common, that is y, 2x minus x square equal to 0, dividing by x, y1 x square minus x square minus x plus y into 2 minus x is equal to 0. This is the required differential equation of 1. Okay, part A. Next question, part B of 1. This is b, y is equal to a into e to the power kx plus b into minus kx. See, differentiate first, y1 a into k e to the power kx, b into e to the power minus kx. See, the signs are changed and k with the common here. So again, if we derivative, then this formation are came out here. Okay, a k square e to the power kx, b k square e to the power minus kx. Okay, taken common x square, then you got the previous expression. So it is easily came out. Okay, k square into y. This is y2. Okay, sorry, this is y2. This is a differential equation where a, b are eliminated. Okay, which is at the arbitrary constant. Okay, see the question number C. Question number C here, that is given y is equal to ax plus b by x. Same as question number 1 part A. If we take an LCM of x, then B be the free from x here, x into y, a x square plus b, then differentiate, we get x y1 plus yx is 1, that is twice ax, and b is at 0. And if we get divided by x, then it will be easily, so that's why divided by x we get y1 and y by x, and that is equal to twice a. Okay, and again differentiate. Okay, again differentiate, then we get y2 plus x, okay, x, this is y1 minus, differentiate this, u by v, x square, x y1 minus y1 here, okay, and this is equal to 0. Take LCM, x square into y2, x y1 minus y equal to 0, and this is the differential equation for question number C. And question number D, follow the language, find the all type of circle which pass through origin and touches an origin at the center on the x-axis. Okay, according to the language, see the drawing, this is the x-axis and y-axis, okay, positive direction. Find the differential equation of all circle which touch the origin at center lies on the x-axis, whose center lies on the x-axis. Okay, touches at origin, whose center lies on x-axis. It may be either this and it may be either this. Both the differential equation are same, so we take in a single formation like that. If let us assume center be a comma 0, so a be the arbitrary here, so we always eliminate the a. Okay, so in this circle, what is the equation? Center be a and radius be a. Then equation is x minus a whole square and y minus 0 whole square equal to a square. Simplify, x square twice x, okay, x square twice x, so, and then plus a square plus y square and a square. Okay, okay, these are cancelled. Then remaining part, that is x square plus y square minus twice ax equal to 0. Differentiate both sides. Then differentiate of x square is twice x, and that is twice y divided by dx, and minus twice x means 1 equal to 0. So from 1 and 2, from 1 and 2, from 1 and 2, from 1 and 2, what we get? We find twice a, put in equation number 1. So that is x square plus y square. This is x. Okay. Value of twice a. This is transferred to the right hand side. Then we get twice x, twice y, dy dx equal to 0. Okay. Very simple. So again, simplify. See clearly, x square, y square minus twice x square minus twice xy and dy by dx equal to 0. Right here, y square minus x square minus twice xy dy by dx equal to 0. This is the required differential equation. Okay. And now question number E and F. F is a very important question. See, first of all, E here, y is equal to a into e to the power 3x plus b into e to the power minus 7x. Okay? So, but 3 and 7 both are different constant. But here k are same. So if we differentiate, then k and k come out, but here 3 and 7 are different. So if we simply derivative it, then eliminating of a, b are give us problem. So that's why we have taken LCM of this e to the power minus 7x. Yeah, differentiate by e to the power plus 7x on the both side. Then it will be simple to solve. Then we get the easily answer, that is 10x and plus b. So I always follow the arbitrary constant to be free. That's why multiply by e to the power 7x, which is there minus 7, so multiply by e to the power plus 7, so it is free from x here. Now if we differentiate this, y into e to the power 7x into 7 plus e to the power 7x into y1. y1 means here dy by this, okay? I have written previous problem, there were not mentioned there what is the y1. So now clearly I mentioned that y1 means that is dy by this, okay? And y2 means and d2y dx, so that's on the second order. Sorry, need to be the notation given previously, but it is like here you have same the definition of this u into v is this, and again a into e to the power 10x, and that's also 10. This is the differential of b. Now we always want to free the arbitrary constant. That's why divided by e to the power 10x. Then a be free from variable. That's why see here nothing like a, b are arbitrary constant are not present here. So divided by e to the power 10. So now y into e to the power 3x. This is 7, and that is also minus 3x. Okay, and this is 10. Again differentiate 7 into, you have taken a common, sorry, first of all you have taken a common, then derivative will fall simply. That is okay, 10. Again differentiate, okay. We differentiate this, it will be minus 3x, that is 7 into y1, again 7 into y plus 1, and this is minus 3, it will be minus 3x, and that is constant. These are this taken common from here, then we got 7y1 minus 3, 3 7 are 21y minus 3 is equal to 0. This is the differential equation for question number E. Now again for the question number F. In my point of view, this is a very important question, question number F, and I think all the viewer enjoy the problem for question number 7. See here. So given that A and B are a fixed constant, okay, are a fixed constant, not needed to, whereas A, B, C are D, there are the A, B, C, all are given the arbitrary constant. Which are arbitrary constant, that variable would be always eliminated from the differential equation. Now see here, x square by A plus A square plus lambda, y square by b square plus lambda is equal to 1. Okay, differentiate both sides, then we get respect to x, differentiate both sides with respect to x. Okay, a square plus lambda y1 again, y1 means dy by dx. Repeat here, b square plus lambda. This is 1. This is 1, okay? Sorry. Twice x by a square plus lambda. y1 by b square plus lambda is equal to k say. Okay? K say. So from 1, a square plus lambda, that is equal to k by twice x. Okay? B square plus lambda, that is equal to k by y1. This is 2, this is 3, and this is 1, this is 1. So from, you can write from 1, 2 and 3. Put a square plus b square, that is k by twice x, to the equation number 1, and also b square plus lambda, that is equal to minus k by twice y1 to the 1. Then we get x square by, that is k by twice x, okay, and y square by, that is minus k by 2y1. I think there was a mistake. Okay, sorry, there was mistake. That is x equal to 2x by k. That is 2x by k here. That is 2y1 by k. This is twice x by k here, and that will be minus twice y1 by k here. Let's see again. That is kx by 2, ky by y1 by 2 is equal to 1. Taken common k by 2, that is x minus y by y1 equal to 1. This is question number 3 or 3 there. So this is 4. This is 4. Again write from here, that is a square plus lambda minus b square plus lambda, that is equal to simply b square, a square minus b square, lambda cancel out. See, this is question number 5. Now from 2, this is 2, 3, this is 2, 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 3, 3, 3, okay, 3. This is 2, 3. Now from 2, 3 and 5, put this in position a square plus lambda, that is 2k by k. Sorry, this is 2x by k minus, that is minus 2y1 by k is equal to a square minus b square. Okay, 2 by k, taking common 2 by k, x plus y, y1 is equal to a square minus b square, that is 6. A square minus b square, that is 6. Okay, multiply 4 and 5. Multiply 4 and 5. Multiply 4 and 5. Then you get the recurrent solution. Okay. This is 4. This is 4 and 5. Sorry. Okay, 4 and 6. Multiply 4 into 4 in 4 and 6. Okay, 4 and 6, k by 2, x minus y1 by y, and this is 6, 2 by k, that is x plus y y1, and this is equal to this into this, so this is 1 into a square minus b square. This is the answer. X minus y1 by y, x plus y. Okay, so x minus y into di by dx and y into di by dx, and this equation is called the self-reciprocal. If we replace di by dx in place of dx dy, so you get the same equation. That's why it's called the self-reciprocal. So this is a very important question, and this is my point of view. No, this is not a self-reciprocal. This is the differential equation. Okay, this is a very important point for question number 8. Okay, bye.